Hey, ZAKpack, welcome back to ZAKtalks Tech. My name is Zak. Let's talk about the tech together. So as you guys saw there, this is the iPhone 11. They're not using the R name anymore. So this is, I guess, on the lower end scale. But honestly, the differences between this and the Pro are not that much. And going from last year's 10R to this is not that big of a leap. And I'm going to start off by saying that right away. If you have a 10R, even a 10S from last year, don't worry about going to this unless cameras are your thing. If the camera is like in your top three, if not first thing, you've got to have an awesome camera. If you don't want to break the bank, this will be the device to look at, okay? If that's not so important to you, like you're just doing social media and you're doing the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter thing, you're going to be very happy with this. You're not going to have to go to the Pro, obviously. But like I said, if you still don't want to break the bank and you still want a really great camera, this right here. But like I said, if you had last year's 10R or the 10S, you probably don't want to. So my first impressions are this is a great introduction for Apple for anybody, especially at the price point they have it at. You get all those features, you get a great screen, it is LCD, great battery life, just overall, and it still has that nice premium feel. This is an aluminum band going around here, so it's not going to pick up fingerprints. It is a glass back. This is all one continuous piece right here with the camera module. It's got an incredible look. There's a variety of colors you guys have all seen. I went with this. Some people are calling it teal. Apple just calls it green. I call it mint green. Is it mint green? Let me know down in the comment section if you think this is mint green. So one thing that a lot of people are going to be doing is comparing last year's 10R to the new 11 here and what the differences are. And honestly, I mean, other than Apple not coming out with another blue color, there are not a lot of differences. Let's take a look at the differences on GSMArena so you guys can really get down to the nitty-gritty and some of the specs and what are the actual physical differences between these devices. You guys can see here I brought up both devices. We got the Apple iPhone 11 on the left, the iPhone 10R on the right. That's last year's model. Then as you guys can see here, just like before, I basically, anything that's grayed out is the same. Anything that's highlighted is different. You can see there's some differences here with the LTE bands. Nothing really to worry about, if you're within North America. Body dimensions are very much the same, pretty much the same weight. You can see here IP67. This year IP68, we'll keep on going. We got Dolby Vision HDR10 on the new Apple iPhone 11. Platforms, again, that's all kind of like software basically. Main camera, so as you guys saw with the iPhone 11, it has that extra camera on here. You're gonna get a wide and an ultra wide with this. Really incredible some of the pictures you can take with this. You can also see that last year's selfie camera, I'll go ahead and highlight this for you guys. Last year's selfie was 7 megapixels. This year it's 12. A bit of a difference there, so you're going to get a little more detail and whatnot in there. As we keep on going, again, just very minute changes. And what I will do is I will put a link down in the description for you guys so you guys can go to the website, you can see these differences and make the decision for yourself. You can also see here, the battery has barely changed from last year, from 2942 to 3000, so there's just a little bit of a bump there. Not a big deal. We'll keep on going. Again, the talk time, things like that have obviously changed because of how the software works. So we're looking forward to doing, doing some tests and things like that. But as I said, the biggest change in these devices is going to be the camera, okay? That ultra wide, but you're still going to get that great post-processing. You're still going to get that great video. They've packed a lot in there this year. So let me know down inside the comments section, are you picking up an iPhone 11 and which color did you pick? Or are you gonna hold off because maybe you have an older model, maybe it's only 1 or 2 years old. Let me know down in the comments section, what you got or what you're planning on picking up and what color, and we'll have a conversation. If this video's helped you guys out, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Leave me a hashtag ZAKpack down in the comments section. You're a part of my ZAKpack and I'm glad you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.